This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about mini disposables, specifically these plastic mini cups and bowls. And we have several options to show you from this line. There's the 2-ounce clear mini trumpet that's round. You can see it has that nice flared edge and some cute little design detail. The 2-ounce hex sea green glass. So it's got that great hexagon shape for just a little bit of geometric style. The 4-ounce oval duet cup that you can see has 2 compartments. This one's excellent if you want to serve something alongside a dip or a sauce. We have the 2-ounce round black mini tasting bowl for a wonderful petite portion. The 3-ounce round incline white shot glass. It's got that wonderful incline opening for just a little bit of flair and style. And we have the 2-ounce square white Girata dessert dish. So you can see it's got that square opening and it's just got a little bit of a twisting spiral to that design. We've got a 3-ounce sea green triangular shot glass. So it's got that nice incline opening and it has a nice soft triangular shape to it. We have the 4-ounce square black tall quadrato. So just very simple, sleek, classic lines to this cup. We have the 4-ounce round white bodega cup. So just a nice, larger size, simple bowl that's great for a nice, elegant, clean presentation. We have the 1-ounce black round mini saucepan. You can see this one is great for small little bites or even just serving a little bit of a sauce alongside a cute app. It's got that nice look of a frying or saucepan. And finally, we have the 4-ounce square sea green tall geometric cup. This one's just a nice square design that kind of flares out as it goes up. There's many more styles available in this line, so you've got a great range of different looks for those options. The capacities on this line range from 1 ounce all the way up to 10 ounces. And they're all available in the 4 colors you see here: clear, white, black, and sea green. They're all made from a durable plastic that's also recyclable, making them a great eco-friendly disposable. You can serve up a variety of different types of treats, including apps, tapas, tasting bites, puddings, trifles, yogurt parfaits, shots, mini sundaes, and more. They're also great, especially the smaller, more petite ones, for doing samplings. These are perfect for caterers, bakers, party planners, anyone who's looking for a great eco-minded disposable for their mini tasty treats and portions.